So this is what it looks like in natural. Hi everyone, happy Saturday. So today I'm gonna do a quick get ready with me as I always do. This light today is a little bit blue. Hopefully it doesn't look too blue from where you're looking at it. But yeah, so let's get into it. So I have washed my face and I'm actually gonna apply the Vont Vitamin C. Wow, that's like a mouthful. I'm going to apply the Vont Vitamin C water. So it's really been helping with my dark spots. A lot of you have asked, what to do for like scarring and things like that. And I find that this really helps. Also, what do you all think about sheet masks? Yesterday, I actually used a sheet mask. I never thought that they worked. I mean, I don't really know. So I'm just applying the Vont Vitamin C water. It's best to kind of dab it on. Don't do what I did earlier. I was just kind of distracted talking to you guys. But just press it into your skin like this, and I find that it really does a good job. Then I'm going to be using the Sunday Riley CEO Glow Oil. So many of you have been raving about this oil, and this is my first time really trying it, in the sense of like I've never owned it before. So I'm just taking some in my palm, gonna spread it all around and just press it into my skin. And I really look forward to this step in my skincare every day, and you'll see why in a second. So the thing that I absolutely love using is this Kansa wand, and I feel like I can only use it when I put oil on my face. It just feels so good. I cannot even tell you. Remember how I had told you all that I have slight swelling? So it actually has helped reduce it, and I just feel like my face feels so amazing when I do this. It just like massages everything, like my left eye has also been hurting a little bit, especially like this part of my left eye. I don't know why. I think too much like of the phone, I don't know, but this has really been helping kind of ease it. So I cannot recommend this enough. It just is amazing, and it just makes your skin look so much better. So next, I'm gonna go in with concealer using the RMS concealer. Just look at how dirty my concealer has gotten. It looks gross, but it's like been in my makeup bag, so it just gets so dirty. Just using it on my under eye. Just gonna dab it in. Again, don't drag it out because this area is very sensitive. So just dabbing it in. Same thing on the other side. Can you see the difference that it makes? It automatically just makes you look like, wow. Oh, I forgot to put my sunscreen. Okay, I'm gonna put it after this. Okay, I forgot to put sunscreen earlier, so I'm not going to put it under my eyes because I don't want the makeup to like suck into my skin. But I'm using the Ren sunscreen today, and so I decided to go back to this one, which is the original one I used to use. The only problem with this is it leaves a white cast, but so many of you recommended amazing sunscreen, so I've ordered some of them. I'm going to try them because I want to see how they work as well. So putting it on my nose. As you can see, it does have a bit of a white cast, but I mean, it's fine. At least it's not that oily. Okay, so next I'm going to do some eyeshadow today. I don't know, I just feel like doing it today. So I'm going to take like a dark brown color and just going to apply it in the crease. I'm using like a fluffy brush to do that. So just applying it in the crease of the lid, going back and forth. Windshield wiper motions. And then other side as well, lighter brown shade. This is like it's like a bit of a lighter brown, and I'm just gonna go over that just to give it some more definition. Same thing on the other side. Next, I'm taking like this pencil sort of brush and using the same brown that I used at the beginning and just applying it below the waterline just so it looks more cohesive and more like together. I don't usually apply kajal, so this kind of does the trick. Just a little bit. That's it. And then, okay, now you'll see this look is just about to change. So I'm using Tara, and this is the pot. Just gonna put my my finger in, and just gonna apply it on the lid and in the inner corner, and just see how beautiful it makes it look. You can do this with literally any eyeshadow combination and it'll look stunning. You can even make it more smoky and like add a darker color in the outside corner. and just making it really sparkly. It just elevates the entire look. And then I'm gonna put some on my cheeks as well, because I just love the way that this looks. It just gives you a glow, and it's such a pretty glow. So I'm just applying it all over. Then I'm also going to take some Oma and apply some Oma on top. It's a lot. These multi-pots are very pigmented, so you don't have to use. So I actually like how it looks. I don't feel like it's too much, but if you want to reduce it, you can use a beauty blender or a beauty sponge that's wet, or just use a makeup brush and just dab it, and it'll really like even it out. So then lastly, I'm gonna add Deva. You'll just see how it just brings the entire look together and looks so pretty. It's such a beautiful everyday shade. You can just build it up, make it darker, make it lighter, as you wish. And this is how it looks. This is just the perfect everyday makeup look. You can add mascara, you can add, fill in your eyebrows if you want to make it look a little bit more glamorous. But I just love how this looks, and I'm going to show it to you in natural light as well. So this is what it looks like in natural light. I just love how this look looks. I just added some mascara just to show you guys. So yeah, I have Tara and Oma on my cheeks and Deva on my lips. As you can see, it just gives such a natural glow. It just makes your skin look like you have really nice skin. And it just looks really pretty, and I love Deva on the lips, of course. So this is the look for today. I hope you enjoyed it, and let me know what you think. Bye!